What I showed you was a little banner, a little cardboard, a little sign that said, here's the Wi-Fi password. Why not say, want the Wi-Fi password, question mark, message our Facebook page, Wi-Fi. They go to your Facebook page, they type in Wi-Fi, and you ask them a few questions, and they get the password. It's easy, takes about 5 seconds. If you want me to show you how to do this, I'm sure I could create a quick little tutorial, but go ahead and you can comment on this, you can message my page. I think you can actually message my page Wi-Fi. Maybe it's in there. I think we have that demo running, but here's the place we're at. It's a cool little place. We're over down here in Madeira Beach, Reddington Beach. It's called Flaboda's Beach Kitchen. Just had some wings and garlic knots, amazing. They have some craft root beer and cream soda, which is going after my heart. And I've got some Detroit style pizza. My man, Mike Doniker will know what I'm talking about there. So that's all I got. Hope that helps. And remember, eliminate hope and pray out of your marketing and put predictability there. Put building a database. Every time you can gather data and information, do it. Adios.